Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to pair multiple Alexa devices for a seamless audio experience throughout your home. We will go through the simple steps to create speaker groups, allowing you to enjoy your favorite music in any room. This process is quick and easy, taking just a few minutes to set up using the Alexa application on your smartphone or tablet. Get ready to fill your home with sound. To begin, launch the Alexa application on your mobile device. Once open, locate and tap the device's icon, which is usually found at the bottom of your screen. Next, you will see a plus sign in the upper right-hand corner. Tap that. From the options presented, select Combine Speakers, and then choose Multi-Room Music to start building your new audio group. Now it is time to choose which of your Alexa devices will be part of this new speaker group. Simply tap on each device you wish to include. After selecting your devices, you will be prompted to give your group a name. Choose something descriptive like downstairs speakers or whole house audio. Finally, review your choices and tap Create Group to finalize the setup. With your speaker group now created, you can simply tell Alexa to play music on your chosen group. For example, say, "Alexa, play pop music on downstairs speakers." You can also adjust the volume for the entire group or for individual devices within the group using the application. Enjoy a truly immersive audio experience with synchronized music playing across all your selected Alexa devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.